Alright, we've got an 04 Jetta here, and the trunk struts are bad. So we're just going to go ahead. I use a little pick. You can also use a little flathead screwdriver and come right up in here and just kind of pop them out of place and get them out like this. This is pretty much what locks it in. Alright, that's done right there. Come up to the top one, do the same thing. Alright. At that point, just kind of wiggle until you pop it off. That's also where it's nice to have the little screwdriver, just like that. Alright. Actually, this one still got a little bit of pressure on it. I'm kind of surprised. And it's just as easy to get it back on. I mean, it can't get any easier at all. Literally, come right up in here. This one's a little bit loose. And this is how easy it is. Boom. Come right down to the bottom. Tilt the trunk forward. Sometimes you can just use a screwdriver to help you a little bit. Alright. One is on. Still got one more to go. Really? An airplane? Alright, pretty much repeat on this side right here. Take a pick, pop that piece out. Actually, you can just slide it up. That's all you got to do. Just like that. Same thing. Kind of just pop it down. Does make it a little easier when you have the little screwdriver. Just kind of boop. And just like that, it's off. Alright, let's go ahead and get the new one on. Now, it's just as simple as can be to go back on. A little bit of grease still up there. Make sure there's no dirt on there. Pop this guy right on. Then I use the trunk itself to help put it on. Let's lift up until it goes into place. That's how it usually goes. The other one was being stubborn. This one was simple. So that is changing out your trunk struts. And now it actually holds the trunk and lifts it right up like it's supposed to. It's amazing how just a little teeny strut like this makes such a difference. We do have a video coming up with this wire right here, so stay tuned on it. So one of the tag lights always goes out, and usually the little problem comes right into here somewhere. I actually had to bypass it. I kept getting pulled over because of one of my tag lights was out. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. And right now I have a little wire running in here so I don't get pulled over anymore in my Volkswagen because of a tag light. Haven't got a ticket for it yet, but they sure do like to pull you over and let you know your tag light is out. Or one of them. Not both, just one. So anyways, that video is coming up, so I hope you guys like the strut removal and replacement video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.